In this video, I'll show you how you can add custom buttons to your Click2Contact widget via your Google Sheet. So one of our customers recently requested me about how they can add a talk to widget. There is a chat widget called talk.to, and they wanted to use that URL so that like there is a button in our Click2Contact widget. Once someone will click on that, they can start doing the chat there. So I have the URL. This is their talk to URL. So this is basically the URL which we want to open right after the person clicks on the button. So for example, this is a Click2Contact widget, and basically something what we want to do is like we want to have a chat with a something like button, and when someone will click on that, we can open up the talk to widget. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this section of Click2Contact sheet where it is written custom buttons. This is the URL which I'll paste, and this is the label. Label is basically the text which is going to be visible. So I am saying that to be chat with us. You can keep it anything you want. So I'm saying that chat with us. Now we need a color, right? So basically you can see all of these like have a color, and how it works is there is a dark color and there is a light color, right? So you just have to get the dark color. So I'm going to visit to this website called COOLORS.co. From here you can get a lot of different color hex code. So you can see I can just press spacebar and I can get more and more colors. Let's say I like this one somehow, maybe this one. So I can just go over here and I can paste the code, as you can see, without the hash. So I'm just going to make sure this is like a 6-digit code, that it's called hex code. So if I'll refresh this page now, let's see. You can see like the button is visible, but I chose a very light color. So it's better to choose a dark color for the visibility of it. So I'm just going to reload. Okay, if I click on it, you can see that talk to widget is working. Now let's say you want to add some sort of an icon to it. So for example, if you see the others, this one have a messenger, this one has a line icon, this one has an email icon. I want to have a chat icon in this. So visit this website called fontawesome.com and search for chat. Once you will search for chat, then you can, let me put it over here, and I don't know which one I want. Maybe this one. This kind of looks like a talking thing. So you just have to copy this Unicode, and I'm going to paste it here. Now this new tab, which is default is true, is basically if you want to open that chat in a new tab, or if you like to keep it in the same tab. So that's like something which you can implement. I have added the logo, and if I click on that now, you can see the logo is there, right? So it's that easy to kind of do these things. If you have any questions regarding adding custom buttons, also like if you like to add some sort of button, for example, let's say you are thinking of that I want to add one more, send a email button or send a SMS button. So what happens is there is a website called mail to link generator. You can just enter the email. So for example, you can say sanskar@click2contact.app. This is like an email to which is going to be your email, and then you can just click on generate link. So you can see this is the link generated, mail to .sanskar@that. You can just use that as a URL and then provide label as message or email us number 2. You can keep it however you want, and maybe I'm just going to provide the same color code, and you can get a new icon, but for the time constraint, I'm just going to use the same. If I'll reload now, you can see there is a email as a button, and if I'll click on that, my default email is not set up properly, but basically like if I'll open this up in a, yeah, it will work basically for you. So yeah, that's a similar thing you can do for text messages. Like there is a SMS option as well. If you like to SMS, you can generate SMS URL. You can read this blog link, create custom button on. You can generate that text, the URL from here. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know, and I hope this helps. Thanks.